you try to launch MechWarrior 5 Clans on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial, we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select MechWarrior 5 Clans. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset MechWarrior 5 Clans to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Now try to launch your game. Now wait for MechWarrior 5 Clans to be scanned for errors. Now launch MechWarrior 5 Clans. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate MechWarrior 5 Clans. Click on the three dots to open the MechWarrior 5 Clans options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If MechWarrior 5 Clans isn't working right, you can try to repair it. MechWarrior 5 Clans data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If MechWarrior 5 Clans is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete MechWarrior 5 Clans' data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If MechWarrior 5 Clans is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall MechWarrior 5 Clans' settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. MechWarrior 5 Clans and its related info will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download MechWarrior 5 Clans again. Search for MechWarrior 5 Clans. Click on MechWarrior 5 Clans. Press Install. Select your installation drive. Press Install again. Wait for MechWarrior 5 Clans to be downloaded and installed.